Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe I am sharing with you how to make grounded meat stew. I'll be using beef. Here I have some beef, nicely cut and clean. I'll transfer the beef inside a food processor. I'll cover it and grind it. Once that is done, I'll set that aside. I'll be using fresh tomatoes, peppers, garlic, ginger, onions. In a pot, I'll add a little bit of oil. Once the oil is hot, add some sliced onions and stir. I'll fry the onions for about 5 minutes. I'll add the grounded meat and stir. I'll cook the meat until the meat is no longer pink. I'll season with grounded garlic and ginger, paprika, thyme, season powder, curry powder, salt, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and stir. I'll add the grounded tomatoes, peppers, onions, and stir. I'll cover and leave it to cook for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, stir. I'll finish it up with sliced onions, green bell peppers, basil leaves, stir. At this point, my kitchen smells divine. I wish you can perceive the delicious aroma that is going on here in my kitchen. You can taste, adjust the season if needed. I leave it to cook for another 5 minutes. The sauce is ready. You can enjoy the sauce with spaghetti, rice, yam. I'm going to be having it with rice. It was super delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed and I will see you in my next video. Bye!